to log into Southwest Airlines account. Hello and welcome to 1 2 Step. I'm back with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can log into your Southwest Airlines account. Southwest Airlines is a major American airline headquartered in Texas. It is world's largest low-cost carrier and operates more than 4,000 flights a day during peak travel seasons. Now to get started, you'll have to open any browser on your device and then in the search bar type Southwest Airlines login. Then press enter to browse it. Here you will be presented with various search results. Click on this first link and then you will be taken to the official website of Southwest Airlines. Once you reach to this page, here at the right side you will find the login interface. In the first box you will have to enter your account number or the username, and in the second box enter your password. Make sure you enter the correct credentials here. You can also click on this remember me on this computer if you want to save your user ID on your computer for the future logins. Then after entering all your details, click on this login button and you'll be able to log into your Southwest Airlines account. In case if you forgot your password or couldn't log into your account, you can click on this need help logging in option below this password box and recover your password and other details by following the instructions given to you. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.